Showing you how to check storage space that is available on your Mac. So simply go to the top left corner and click on the Apple logo and select System Settings. An alternative way of opening System Settings is to click the System Settings icon in the dock. Either way, that's going to open your System Settings. On the left-hand side, click on General and then select Storage by clicking on it. Now it's going to do some calculations for a couple of seconds, and then now you can see a clear picture of the storage space situation on your Mac. So for instance, this is the entire storage space, which is a total of 245.11 gigs. Sorry, 256 gigs on my specific Mac. Yours could be different. Now I can also see graphically in using this bar how much storage space I have available. So for instance, if I put my mouse here, you can actually see this is 136.22 gigs of available space. And then I can see the rest of the space that's taken up, and I can see exactly what's taking up that space. So for instance, I can see macOS is 25.35 gigs. I can see my system data is 24.61 gigs, and I can see all these other things. There's also a list at the bottom here that you can use to see the same information in list form. So you can see what is occupying space on your Mac, and also you can see how much space you have left right here. So that's basically how to check storage space on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you or talk to you in the next one. Good luck.